Every SaaS platform selling you AI agents right now is running the same math you could run yourself. They take an open model, wrap it in a dashboard, and charge you a monthly fee for the privilege of renting your own automation back to you. Today, we're removing the middleman. We're building a fully local agentic commerce engine using Llama 3 and Python. Something that can research, manage inventory, and execute transactions running entirely on hardware we own. No API meter, no subscription tax. By the end of this, you'll see exactly why 2026's consumer GPUs changed the math on what local can actually do. Let's talk numbers first, because this is really a margins problem before it's a technical one. Agent-as-a-service platforms have quietly become one of the biggest recurring line items for small operators. Per seat, per action, punishing tiers. You're not paying for intelligence anymore. You're paying rent on intelligence you could host yourself. The businesses getting squeezed hardest are the ones paying an escalating cloud bill for automation that doesn't need to live in the cloud. Local inference speed on consumer GPUs has closed most of the gap with hosted providers. What used to require enterprise silicon now runs on your desk. So the mission for this build: move the business logic off the cloud and onto private silicon. Llama 3 as the core, Python as the orchestration. Job 1, product research. The agent autonomously pulls data, compares specs, and flags sourcing opportunities through a retrieval loop. Job 2, inventory management. State tracking. The agent has the judgment to flag or act without a human, refreshing a dashboard every hour. Job 3, transaction execution, the highest stakes layer. Guardrails, spending limits, and logging are critical for safety. The architecture: Llama 3 for reasoning, Python for tool calling, and a local database for memory across sessions. The orchestration loop: the agent receives a goal, breaks it into steps, calls tools, and evaluates the result. It decides what to do next. Notice there's no external API bill ticking. Every research call and decision is happening on hardware we already own. So does it hold up under real conditions? We ran it against our internal benchmarking suite to see how it handles high-volume commerce tasks. The results were impressive. A high success rate and sub-2-second reasoning times, though we hit a memory bottleneck on very long research loops. The honest take: local doesn't mean perfect. Setup time is higher, but for zero recurring fees, that's a trade a lot of operators will take. A comparable hosted platform runs hundreds per month. This setup cost the price of hardware once, and now runs for the price of electricity. If you're tired of watching automation costs scale faster than revenue, proof the local path is real in 2026. Not a compromise, a legitimate alternative. Subscribe for the full build breakdown and repo walkthrough. If you've built something similar, drop it in the comments. I want to see what you've got running. See you in the next one.